Namaste everyone. Thank you for joining me again in today's session. Today I'm going to talk to you about Ashwini Mudra. So what is Ashwini Mudra? Ashwini or Ashwa literally means horse in Sanskrit. So just to let you know about the background of how this mudra actually came into being and what was the reason. So our siddhas and sages were quite amazed with the horse, and how its body is lusting and shiny all the time. Even though it gets older, it doesn't form any wrinkles. What's the magic trick that the horse has? This powerful technique which actually keeps its skin wrinkleless. Even though it's old and about the age to die, it will still have the same tightness to its skin. It's firm, and the eyes also lust. It's got the tej, what we speak in Sanskrit. So what's the reason? And that's why they started actually examining the horse, the way it eats, sits. What they found is this: when the continual contraction and relaxation of the anal muscles actually helps the horse keep its vitality and the skin tone, and gets rid of the wrinkles. So they applied it to human body. Gravity is always working against you. That's how when we age, our body deteriorates, and we start getting ill, or we start getting wrinkles. So in order to work against gravity, the the contraction of the anal muscles actually helps pull back all the life energy back to your sastra or Agna chakra, and that way you can actually extend your life, or be immune to certain diseases. So basically the mudra is very simple. All you have to do is sit in a cross-leg posture, or you can sit anyhow you want, any relaxed form, and you just contract your anal muscles, hold it for a few seconds, relax it, contract, relax, contract, relax. So this technique is really good. The benefits of this technique is, first, it will get you a natural glow on your face. You will start feeling more energetic. You would be immune to most of the diseases. Your vitality will increase. And also for men, prostate cancer can be prevented or cured with this technique. For women, uterus cancer or any of the abdominal problems or issues women face, that can be cured. The benefits of this is also it cleanses your excretory channels and gets all the life force back into your uh, upper chakras. So it's a very good technique to use. I have been using it for a long time, and I feel good every day after doing it for a few minutes. You can do it in a car. For advanced versions, obviously they use this to actually bring ojas. So it's called stealing from earth. What they do is they actually combined with some pranayam techniques, they use this sexual energy which is stored and convert it into spiritual energy. That way they have more energy spiritual wise, and that energy can be utilized to actually open third eye, or enhance their perception about other worlds. So that's another technique which they use. Best way to start with is just sit in a cross-legged posture, close your eyes, and just concentrate on your Mooladhara, and just the anal muscles, just contract it, then relax, contract, relax. You can combine it with Anlom Vilom. So when you inhale, hold it, and then when you exhale, relax it. So I hope this video has helped you, and then if you feel it will benefit someone whom you know, please share this video. Also, if you have any questions, do write me in comments and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Namaste.